You will be amazed by this 2012 Honda Odyssey. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll feel safe and relaxed on every excursion in this comfortable and stylish Odyssey. Its thoughtful design, advanced smart technology, interior spaciousness and luxury, strong acceleration, and nimble handling make it the ideal family vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, rear AC, heated front seat. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.